Hi, I'm David Thompson. I'm the owner here at Factory Outlet Trailers, and I want to take the opportunity to introduce myself to you. I'm the proud father of three amazing young boys, and they keep me young and hopping. We live here in the community in the area, and I was born here and raised here in High River, Alberta, and I love the community here. One of the things that most people don't know about me is that my parents actually immigrated here to Canada in the late 70s, and before I was born, and then I was born here, and I'm the last of 10 children. My parents instilled in us the importance of family, and also, as many immigrants are, the community becomes part of your family, and that's a critical piece in my life, and to us here at Factory Outlet Trailers, where we see our customers as an extension of our family, and we try and instill that, and it makes our customer service incredible, and the experience you come walking through the doors is more like a family experience. We sell at the grassroots level here in Alberta, across Western Canada actually, to customers that are interested in trailers and parts and service, and come see us if you're interested, and we're happy to help you. Thank you.